Hello everyone, this is Ranjit, your math teacher. Once again, I'm here with a new topic which is there in data handling, and today I'm going to explain about frequency distribution table. First of all, I would like to explain that we have two different types of frequency distribution table. First, we create a table of ungrouped data, and another we create the table of group data. So I can divide, means we all can divide it in two different form, means frequency distribution table of ungrouped data and frequency distribution table of group data. So in this video we'll know about both the table, how we create. First of all, we'll have to take a data which is there in ungrouped form, means not written in proper order, not enlisted it, simply the data is given there. Like I consider like there are 20 families and the family members, I'm going to write it. It is just a kind of ungrouped data, not arranged in a proper table, not grouped it. So members in 20 families. I write it here like 2 members are there in next family. 4 members are there, 3, 2, 8, 7, 6, 5, 2, 5, 6, 3, 8, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 6 more are required there, 7, 8, 2, 3 and 3. Once again I count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and one more I take 2. So here you can see 20 families are there in these families. First in first family 2 members are there, 4 members, 3 members, 2 members, 8 members, 7 members. It is like this only. And what I have to do, we have to of course write frequency, we have to make a table, frequency distribution table. So first of all, for this what you do, or this is my suggestion, if you are going through any question in data handling, first of all you will have to find, or you find array first. Okay, so here I am doing that only. So array will find, means we'll arrange it in the ascending order or in descending order. So first of all the smallest one is 2, so 2 is here one time, anywhere else, yeah, here one more 2, 2, then after 2, then here 2. So all the 2's we have written now. Next one is there 3, so we'll check how many 3 are there. 1, then 1, 3 is here, okay. The next one is there 4, that we need to write 4 one time. No, 4 is there, okay. Then after we have 5 also, so we'll write here 1, 2, 2 times 5 is there, so we'll write it. Now 6 is also there, so 1 time, 2 time, 2 times 6 is also there. Now 6 after 6 it is 7, so 7 is 1, 2, 3 time is there. Then after 8 is there, so 1 2 3 times 8, and then I think no, 9 is not there, so we'll check it. I have written all the data or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20. It means all the numerical facts I have written here, about 20 families. So now the next part is there. We'll learn how to make frequency distribution table of ungrouped data. This one is just an array arrangement of ascending order here, which I have done. Now I'm going to make a table for this ungrouped data. So first one is, this is what? This is number of members, means members. Okay, you can write here members in families. So this you can write. In the middle you will write tally marks. What is tally marks? That I explain it. Symbolic representation of numbers. This is tally marks according to me, which I have explained. Now the next one is their frequency. And about the frequency I have already told you. Members, 2 members are there in few families, 3 members are there, 4 members are also there in few families, 5 are there, 6, 7 also, and 8 also. Now what we have to do, first of all, I suggest to the students that first of all you write the frequency of these datas. So this is only a table. In frequency you can see, frequency means how many times this 2 is there. So you can see 1 2 3 4 5 times are there, so I'll write here 5. Next one is there 3, 1 2 3 4 times are there, so you'll write here 4. Then 5 is there 2 times only, so we'll write it here. 6 is also 2 times. 7 is, wait, somewhere I have done wrong. 1 2 3 is there 4 times, which I have mentioned here. 4 is there 1 time, which I have not mentioned, that is also required. So now 5 is there 2 times, done. 6 is there 2 times, 7 is there 3 times, and then 8 is also there 3 times. Now we will write the or make the symbol of tally marks. 5 is there, so we'll write 5 like this. In writing 5, be careful about it. 1 2 3 4 sticks you'll make, and you will do like this. You will not do like this. This is wrong way. Okay, so you can do this. Now 4, 1 2 3 4 only, 1 is there, so 1 stick. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 and 1 2 3. This is only frequency distribution table of ungrouped data. Now we'll know how to make frequency distribution table of group data. So let's see how to do that. So going to rub it, taking the group data, or sometimes you'll find the data is not there in the grouped form, but you will have to make it a proper group. So I write marks obtained by 30 students. So the data I have collected, and that only I'm going to write it like out of 10 only. Out of, I make it 20, that will be much better. So 2, 8, 10, 16, 2, 8, 7, 3, 15, 15, 18, 17, 20, 18, 25, 15, 16, 2, 8, 7, 15, 3, 3, 2, 17, 17, 19, 20. Now let me check. I've written for 30 students, so not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. Two more I have required. So I write 11 and 12. So these are the marks obtained by 30 students, and you can see one more time, this is a kind of ungrouped data, but as we have to know about frequency distribution table of group data, so first of all we will make a proper table, we'll make a group of it, and for this what we have required, one more time going to draw this table. Here I'll write class interval that we have required. After that, one more time tally marks. Tally marks always keep in the middle, and in the last you will write frequency. You will make a group, like a group of 5, group of 10, means that is in this way only you will do. I make a group of 5 only, so 0 to 5, this is the first group. Next one is there 5 to 10, 10 to 15, 15 to 20, till 20 is there. I write one more here, 20 to 25. This is called exclusive form of data, okay, group data here. 0 to 5 it is, what we'll do, will not include 5 here. Fine. So it means what I'm trying to explain, 0 to 5. So data, first of all you will write the array as I have told you. So I write it. First one is, the smallest one is 2 only. So 2, 1 time, 2 time, then 3, 4, 4 time it is there. So 2, 2, 2, 2. Then after I think 3 is also there. 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3. 3 is there. Okay. Now then after 4 is also there. No. No 4 is there. 5. If you will check for 5 also. 5 is also not there. So we'll check for 6 also. 6 is not there. 7 is also, yeah, 7 is here. So 1 times 7, 2 times, any more 7 is there? No. So we'll write 7 2 times. Then 8 is 1, 2, 2, 3, 3 times 8. So we'll write it. Then 9, we'll check for 9 also. I don't think 9 is there. 9 is not there. So we'll check for 10. 1 time it is. Any more 10 is there? No. So 10 done. 10. 11 is here. I think only 1 time. And then 12 is also 1 time. Then 13 is here. I think 13 I have written somewhere. Yes. 13. 13 is not here. 13. 14 is anywhere else. 14 is not there. 15 is somewhere else. 15 is 1, 2, 3 4, okay, 4 times. 1 2 3 4. 16 is here one time. Any more? We'll check. One time only. 17 is somewhere else. Yes, one time. 17 to 3 times. Okay, then 18 is somewhere else. 18 1 2, so 2 times 18. Now 19 is one time here, somewhere else. No, so you'll write here 19. Now 20 is 1 here, 2 3, so 23 times you'll write. Now one more time we'll check it. I've written all 30 or not. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21 22 23 24 25 26 27 28 29. Somewhere something is missing, so check what I have left marked. What is missing here? Everywhere I have, yeah, 16 is one more time. So 1 2, I'm not written 16 two times. Yeah, okay, done now. So all the numerical facts I have written here. Now as I was telling you that in 0 to 5, as it is exclusive form, so that is why we will not include 5 in this group. So in this interval, where I'll include this 5? In the next, means in 5 to 10, and in this 10 will not include, here 15 will not include, here 20 will not include, and 25 will not include in this. Now first of all, 0 to 5 means till 4, how many numerical facts are there that we need to count? 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So we'll write here in frequency 7. The next one is 5 to 10, means 1 2 3 4 5, and this 10 will not include, that is why 5 members are there. I'll write like this. The next one is 10 to 15, means will include this 10. 1 2 3 15, one more time will not include, so 3 members are there. We'll write it here. The next one is 15 to 20, here only will include 15. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 are there, so we'll write here 12, and this more than 20 or 20 will write in the next. So 1 2 3 members are there, we'll write here 3. And now the next very simple what we have required to do, and that we will write only the tally marks for this given frequency. So 7 is here, 1 2 3 4, this is 5 6 7, 1 2 3 4 5. Now 1 2 3, here we need to write 12, so this is 5 1 2 3 4 5 5 10, and now 1 and 2 1 2 3. So this is only frequency distribution table of group data. Earlier it was ungrouped form, but we have made it the group, and then after we have represented in a table. So in this way we have seen 2 questions based on construction, based on making frequency distribution table. In the next video, few more questions will be there in related to data handling only, and I hope you all are enjoying the videos, learning a lot. Thank you. Have a nice day.